It just was
Man, bro,
it
they
was
don't
more
understand
competition.
real
It just
shit,
was
bro. Shit
that's
back
why I
in the
was
day,
better
like
back
shit like
then,
when
bro.
it moved up. They not understanding you. Back in the day, man, you what? Man,
Man,
say when you get dunked on,
it
you
was
get
more
dunked on.
competition and better defense back in the day.
Yeah, man, motherfucker was, you know what I'm talking about, man? It was hard in that shit back in the day. You
Yeah,
hear
it's
me?
like that shit. I try to watch
Man,
that
now,
shit,
man,
bro. I
motherfucker
cannot
let
watch
you
that
dunk
shit.
on them because they want to get their shot back on you. You hear me? Like a competition one-on-one. I be like, man, no, it's a team thing. What's up with it, Naomi? Bars.
What's up? What's up? What's up? Yeah, that shit,
That's
that
why I be
NBA
like,
shit,
man, say y'all gotta be real with this. Hit
the
that
NBA
thumbs up,
shit ain't the
everybody. Hit
same,
that
bro.
thumbs up. Bars.
I like
That's why I be
LeBron.
looking
I
like,
like
man, say,
LeBron, but he just ain't no Mike. He just ain't Jordan, bro. I'm sorry.
man, I be
I'm
say,
sorry,
y'all, you
bro.
can't. Just like say, some people, oh man, LeBron better than Kobe. Man, you cannot say that.
Nah.
Everybody got their own shit.
Yeah, that's why I try to tell people. I said, man, y'all talking about it supposed to be Michael. Is Michael Jordan better than Kobe?
What?
Y'all talking about Michael Jordan better than LeBron? It's Kobe, nigga.
Okay, thank you,
It's
man.
Kobe,
Say that
bro.
shit, man.
It's
That's why I
Kobe.
be
Why
trying to listen to
we
these
even
motherfuckers
having a
trying to say,
discussion about
how you gonna
LeBron and
steal?
don't get me wrong. I like LeBron. He's good.
Yeah, but
He's
you gotta
good.
work your way, bro.
But
It,
what
it
happened to Kobe?
it's the
Nobody talking
time
about Kobe
era.
no
It's
more.
the time eras. It was different. The time.
Yeah.
What's up with the Taurus?
What's
Gang,
up,
gang,
Torres gang?
gang. Bars. We were just talking about the real ones.
Yeah,
That's what I'm saying,
that
man.
NBA shit, bro. I tried to watch that shit the other night. I said, man, I can't watch this shit, bro. This shit here, I can't watch this shit, bro.
It look like it just fit for anybody
That
can get
shit, this not
they
the
numbers
same,
up.
bro.
Anybody get their numbers up.
It's just not the same, bro.
You ain't no, like you said, it ain't no defense no more.
Hey, my son told me, "Pops, you stuck in your ways?" I said, "I'm not stuck in my ways. It's
You
this
can
shit."
watch. We watching the shit. We
I
watching
said,
shit.
"Listen, one thing about me, one thing you didn't see. I seen Jordan, Kobe, and LeBron. You can't say that. I seen all of them play.
So you
You know what
know
I'm
real
saying? So I
defense. You
know
know real defense. Niggas snatch that bitch out the earl type shit. Not
exactly.
come
I
on,
said, don't get
man.
me
They don't
wrong.
understand that old school shit, man. Say these boy was in your face, that deep, that real
One
deep.
thing about
Nigga,
me,
you ain't
I
going
said, I
nowhere,
told
no
him, I
side to
said,
side now. They let you
I'm
come
not
up
a
and
LeBron hater. I like LeBron, but he just not no Jordan or Kobe, bro.
no. You gotta understand some people, the certain time period where certain people came out, it was a certain era.
So then I broke it down to him. He told something. LeBron playing all these many years. How many years he played a whole
Time.
4 seasons while sitting out the game?
Like I say, who come on,
I
man.
said Jordan played the whole 82 games. Shit, more
Say,
times than LeBron.
own it, grind it.
I said them boys just be taking
He'll take
games
the
off. They
whole
ain't
game.
load management. What is the fucking load management? No load management back
Man,
in the
come
day.
on, man. That we didn't hear that shit back in the
They
day,
taking
man. It's
days
about
off just
taking
because
over
they
the
can take
game.
days off. I said
If
Jordan.
you on
I said,
fire, what that say? It was some NBA jam shit back in the day.
yeah.
He's on fire.
I said Jordan was going hard in the expedition game in the preseason game, bro. Man, when they weren't taking no days off back in them, they was playing 82 games,
82
bro.
games. See, that's what I said, man. Say back in say they came with it. You hear me? Yeah, no cap.
That's the best way I could break it down to the young people. I said, man, they just take games off. I said Jordan was playing 82 games, bro. He was playing whole seasons. He did that for he did that at least 10 years out of 13 seasons, bro. He was playing
And they
whole
not
82
understanding when
games, bro.
people talk about Jordan, man. Ain't that Stephen A. Man,
Yeah,
God?
yeah, exactly.
Like I said, man, Stephen A. let you know, man. Say no, Jordan. Stop playing.
I said I'm not a LeBron. I like LeBron, but he just not
It's
he.
certain people you
It's
can
just
label
certain
certain
shit.
people against.
Yeah,
Period.
he didn't play both sides of the ball like Jordan, bro. Jordan played both sides of that rock, bro. Defense and offense. And
But
play, if he could play 82 games, he gonna play 82 games. He not sitting no games out, bro, just because he ain't feel like playing, bro. Oh, we playing a side team, so I'm gonna sit these games out. I said these
bar,
players just sit games out for no reason. Like
see,
Joe,
just the
they weren't
last.
doing that back in the day. Just sitting no
Hell
games
no,
out,
man.
bro.
You done to work, man. You done to
For
work
fucking load
grind, man.
management.
No
Like what the
cap.
fuck is load management? Like y'all just man, fuck
That's
all
just
that.
making up shit. That shit wasn't even in the back in the day, low man. Man, just they be making up shit now,
Yeah.
man. No, it come to you come to grind, you come to work, you come to win a game. You got some more juice? Get on in there
Yeah,
then.
towards game, it won't no days off back in the day,
Hey,
but
no,